Hey guys, it's River Dave. We're up at Sailing Hawks at 1650 Sailing Hawks Drive, number 111. And wait till you guys get a load of this. Come on in, let's check it out. As you come in this house is going to impress you more and more to the absolute end here, where I'm going to show you why I feel this is one of the best houses on the market in Lake Havasu. In the meantime, grand staircase, Art Deco brick wall, beautiful flooring. Let's check out the downstairs first, which is pretty much your casita, and then we'll move on upstairs. As you come through those double doors, you're going to see you have your own bathroom right here. You're able to close that off from the rest of the house if you're entertaining for a pool party. That has its own external entrance, so pool bathroom right there. You got a little bitty kitchen right here with an oven, dishwasher. Your refrigerator would typically go right there. Bar right here for serving appetizers and drinks. Right through the living area and outdoors to your beautiful pool.
Take me somewhere blue where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. I've been fighting the divine and war with my own mind, wishing for some change, looking for a connection to give life some meaning and free me from my own cage. I'm sick of feeling low, I can't see the stars.
If you want to talk about how much garage you can get in a lot in Sailing Hawks, check this out. We're upstairs at the 2-car garage right now. If you walk down the stairs, you got a 32 skater and a scarab right next to it with plenty of room to spare. Not to mention, you got your bar for entertaining, sink for washing your hands, etc., etc. You guys have seen a little bit of the upstairs, but I'm glad I caught you on the way back. This is an office right here with its own bathroom over here, but I'm going to show you something very, very cool. Check this out. You have guests, Murphy bed, pulls right out, stows away, and you're right back to a first-class office. When we started this journey together, I promised you that this house was going to get better and better to the absolute bitter end of why I feel it's one of the best houses on the market in Havasu. For right now, I'm going to let Michael take you through the commercial grade kitchen. I absolutely am in love with this granite work. And then you got your stainless bar over here, which is very, very cool with your winemakers. Michael, take them through the kitchen real quick.
I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own arms. Second chances come around all the time, and happiness is nothing but a state of mind. So take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue.
We're going to head in here to the master bedroom. I'm going to show you a pretty cool little feature that I have not seen before in a house. Michael, you can take him through the master bedroom.
Take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. I've been fighting the divine and war with my own mind, wishing for some change, looking for a connection to give life some meaning and free me from my own cage. I'm sick of feeling low, I can't see the stars shine.
So one of the cool things about this is you can take a shower and look out at the lake or even a bath. But if you want privacy, you hit a button and this window goes opaque so you can't see through it. I thought that was very cool.
All the time. And happiness is nothing but a state of mind. So take me somewhere blue.
right, guys, so we open the doors and you can see that they're actually pocketed into the walls of the house. That goes to show the level, not only on the design side, but the commitment to build the best of the best. This is the final Albright design. It is the masterpiece. And I am telling you, it is one of my favorite houses in Havasu. From one of the best views in Havasu to every little detail that when you're walking through the house that you'll see and you'll notice, it just jumps out at you. It gets better and better. Give us a call, 928-706-4200. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
More with my own mind, wishing for some change. Looking for a connection to give life some meaning and free me from my own cage. I'm sick of feeling low, I can't see the stars shine, but I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own